Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video. It's a collective haul video, not a particular brand or a particular product. It's a random cloth and makeup and accessories and a lot more. So it's a random video. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So let's start with Miniso. First store where I went is Miniso. So first is this makeup pouch set bag. It's a good spacious bag, and wherein you get 3 bags, like 2 extra. So this one is a medium size pouch and this one is a coin pouch, so where you can put money and all. So yeah, this is a very handy product, and this retails for rupees 490. Yes, this whole set is for 490 rupees only, and I have already started using all the products, guys. Matlab, this video is going to be a review plus haul video because I have used all the products, maximum of the product. So yeah, this was the first item. Second product which I got is this water bottle. So it's a very tiny and handy bottle. I got it to just put it in my purse and travel with. This was for rupees 190 only, and yeah, it's a great small tiny bottle. Also I got the similar one in a glass material. This one is plastic and another one is glass, which I forgot to carry. I don't have it right now. So yeah, this is very convenient and a very good product. Another item is a bunch of socks. So Miniso have really cheap and very good quality socks. So the first one is this grey color one. So it's ankle length socks, and this was in the pair of 3. Though मैंने already start कर दी है use करना. It was in the set of grey, blue and pink color. So yeah, this is what the socks looks like. You can see it has this ribbed kind of design going on. So yeah, this was the first one, and another one I got is these kind of socks which you can wear in your Converse shoes. So Converse में you know कि ankle दिखता है, so I got these one जो कि बस पैर को cover करे. So this one was also in the pair of 3. So first one is this purple and another one is this blue or green sort of color, and another one was pink. So वो भी मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिए यूज़ करना. So these were the new ones जो मैंने नहीं किए हैं. So मैं आपको यही दिखा रही हूँ. मिनीसो से इतने ही थे. Let's move on to clothing item. So clothing में भी बहुत मिक्स है, कोई एक स्टोर से नहीं लिया है मैंने, बहुत अलग अलग स्टोर से लिया है. So the first one is this black kurta. So this kurta is from W. This is a plain solid black jet black color kurta. I didn't have any plain black kurta, so I got one for me, and this was for rupees 1500. W is a quite expensive brand, but the quality is really amazing. It's pure cotton and गर्मी में पहनने के लिए एकदम मस्त है because ये बहुत ही पतला है and it's pure cotton. So yeah, this is a really good kurta. I really love this one. Next stuff which I got is leggings. So this is again a black leggings. It's a ankle length leggings. This I got from West Side, and this was for rupees 499, 500 rupees only, and the quality is really good. मतलब अच्छा खासा चल जाएगा, एंड ब्लैक एंड वाइट तो सब पे ही चल जाता है, इसके लिए आई गॉट वन फॉर माई सेल्फ. Another product is this white t-shirt I got from H&M. It's a really big oversized t-shirt, and this is in the size medium. Actually ये सेल पे था, and I really love this print and this baggy effect, so I got it. मेरे साइज में नहीं था, still I got it because it was in the sale. It originally was for rupees 799, which is 800 rupees, but I got it only for 400 rupees. So this one was for 50% off. That's why I just grabbed this, and it's such a good quality. The material is very thick and not the see-through kind of material. It's very nice. And H&M का तो t-shirts वैसे भी बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है. This one is also from H&M, by the way. I have already used this once. Another product is also a t-shirt. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. It's a very basic top. This one I got from Bewakoof, and Bewakoof have really great t-shirts, like everyday casual ones which you can wear जीन्स पे या फिर शॉर्ट्स पे. बहुत ही अच्छा है. दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो कॉटन मटेरियल एंड दिस हैज़ दिस रियली क्यूट डिज़ाइन. आई गॉट इट फॉर आई गेस 300 रुपीज. दिस इज़ इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल एंड इट्स अ क्रॉप टी शर्ट which you can wear with your high waist jeans and all. This is very nice. So next thing I got is bunch of mask. So this one is from Westside. Westside पे ऐसे चेन वाले मास्क मिलते हैं and this one is so cute. I really liked it. It has this pink stripe going on and it also has chain which you can carry. बहुत convenient होता है like chain के साथ मास्क पहनना. You won't lose it. This was for ₹249. Another are these masks which I got from random shop. This one is also very nice and this one is a tie and dye kind of print. This is also very cute, like the color is very nice and it's a pastel pink color. I really like this one. So next product which I got are these bottles of shower gel and body lotion. So this is in the brand Studio West which is from Westside and this is 100 ml bottle. Both are 100 ml and this is in the variant Sunrise. ये थोड़ा बहुत फ्लावरी स्मेल है, फ्लावर जैसा स्मेल है, मतलब ठीक ही है. मुझे इतना भी पसंद नहीं आया बट स्टिल अच्छा है. दिस वॉज इन सम ऑफर लाइक 299 में दोनों भी मिला हमें, तो कुछ ऑफर था तो हमने ले लिया. अनदर थिंग विच आई गॉट are from Nykaa. Bunch of makeups I got. So first I got this toner from Biotic. This is the Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. This is very affordable and a very good product. So this one was for 175 rupees only. एंड ये मैंने काफ़ी सुना है इसके बारे में, सो आई वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ ट्राई. एंड या अभी मैंने स्टार्ट तो नहीं किया है बट स्टिल आई विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग सून. अनदर प्रोडक्ट विच आई गॉट इज दिस मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम फ्रॉम Plump. This is in the green tea variants and this retails for 470 rupees and इसका quantity है 50 ml and इसका pump आता है ऐसे, so it's very easy to use and ज़्यादा messy नहीं होगा. And Plump is a very good brand by the way. Another stuff which I got are these lipsticks. Oh no! Another item is these lipsticks. So these lipsticks I got from Nykaa and this is the Nykaa mattifying cream wala variants. It's in the shade Daydreaming. थोड़ा सा creamy effect देता है, like it's not pure matte. And another is from Maybelline and this is the Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick and it's a brown nude lipstick and it's very good. The shade is very nice and this retails for 299 rupees only, which is really good for a lipstick. Another lipstick I got is from Wet n Wild. This is what the product looks like. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha. It's also a brown nude color which goes well with the brown skin tones, Indian skin tones. बहुत ही अच्छा लिपस्टिक है and it's a very very matte lipstick. बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत जल्दी ही मैट हो जाता है लिप्स पे. This was for rupees 499 I guess. Yes, this is for rupees 499. Another lip liner I got. This is what the lip liner looks like. It's in the ब्रांड इन कलर, पता नहीं कौन सा ब्रांड है बट बहुत ही सस्ता था, 50 रुपये का था. इट्स इन द शेड L16 रस्ट. इट्स अ ब्राउन लिप लाइनर. आई एक्चुअली लव यूजिंग लिप लाइनर. मैं लिपस्टिक बिना लिप लाइनर का नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ अ डिसेंट प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज 50 रुपीज़ में व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट. सो या 50 रुपीज़ के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा है ये. अनदर प्रोडक्ट विच आई गॉट इज़ दिस मस्कारा फ्रॉम द फेस शॉप. This is such a good mascara. This is very nice, very beautiful and the price you won't believe. This is for 399 rupees but this is very amazing. मतलब बहुत अच्छा वॉल्यूम देता है, बहुत अच्छा कर्ल भी करके देता है and affordable भी बहुत है. Like the L'Oreal ones are so expensive but this is really great and इसका wand भी बहुत अच्छा है, like a lot of product is there on the wand, so yeah I really like this. and मैंने अभी भी by the way यही यूज़ किया है. यू कैन सी मेरे एक्चुअली ज़्यादा है नहीं आई लैशेज़, आई हैव वेरी लेस आई लैशेज़, बट बहुत अच्छा इसने इफ़ेक्ट दिया है. एंड या आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई हैव यूज दिस. इट्स नॉट वाटर प्रूफ, it will get removed easily with water, which is a really great thing because I don't like waterproof mascaras. वो इतना झंझट रह जाता है उसको निकालने के लिए. I don't like इतना त्रास. So yeah, that's why I got this from Face Shop. Another thing which I got is this eyelash glue. This is the Miss Claire eyelash glue. It's in the color black because I think black अगर यूज़ किया ना तो eyelash पिक के साथ जो लगता है देन इट विल गिव द आईलाइनर इफेक्ट, वरना वाइट कलर का वो स्टेन चला जाता है विच आई डोंट लाइक. Another product which I got are these brushes. So these brushes are from Amazon. This is very good quality but only problem is कि इससे ना थोड़ा सा चुभता है. like when you apply, when you do your makeup, थोड़ा सा ये चुभेगा. मुझे भी थोड़ा सा चुभता है ये, बट स्टिल प्राइस के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा है. मैंने ऑलरेडी यूज़ भी किया है कुछ ब्रशेज़ इसमें से. एंड या लाइक ये बहुत ही अच्छा सेट है अगर आपको आई मेकअप करना हो या फिर फेस मेकअप करना है. ये बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. पूरा सेट ही एकदम कंप्लीट लुक दे देगा आपको. अनदर प्रोडक्ट इज़ दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette is really good. मतलब इसका पिगमेंटेशन भी बहुत अच्छा है and the shades which they provide are really amazing because you get the transition shade and you get the pink shade, you get the nude shade, you get the brown shade. Every shade is there for beginners. So I have created a makeup look using this product only. This is a really great product. If you are a beginner and you want to try a good eyeshadow palette, go for this. It's very amazing, very good quality and very pigmented. I'll swatch the product and insert a video clip over here. This product actually retails for 599 rupees but I got this product for only 250 rupees. Yeah, this was on the sale and मैंने Amazon से लिया था. Another product which I got is this 9 to 5 Lakme face powder. This is a really good face powder. I can swear by it. So this is what the product looks like. It's in the shade Natural Almond. बहुत ही अच्छा मेरे स्किन टोन से मैच करता है एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. इसका जो स्पंज है ना वो भी बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का है. अनदर आइटम आर दीज ईयररिंग्स विच आई गॉट. सो फर्स्ट इज दिस ईयररिंग. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल ईयररिंग. इट्स अ कुंदन ईयररिंग एंड बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है ये. यू कैन सी हाउ गॉर्जियस दिस लुक्स. एंड मैंने ये मेरे भैया के एंगेजमेंट में पहना था और ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. दिस वॉज फॉर ₹990 रुपीज़. आई नो इट्स क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव बट वो लेडी ने बिल्कुल बार्गेन नहीं किया. आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम MG रोड क्लोवर सेंटर. अगर आप पुणे से हो यू विल नो MG रोड किधर है. सो या दिस इज़ सच अ गुड. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया ये. मतलब बहुत ही अमेजिंग ईयररिंग है. लाइक अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा ईयररिंग चाहिए जिस पे यू वॉन्ट नीड अ नेकलेस और अ मांग टीका, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस ईयररिंग्स. बहुत ही बढ़िया है एंड इट्स नॉट हैवी एट ऑल. इट्स लुक हैवी बट इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल हैवी. सो या आई रियली लाइक दिस वन. अनदर इज़ ऑल्सो अ कुंदन ईयररिंग. It's a small jhumkis. So this is what the earrings look like. It's a tiny kundan earrings and it's very gorgeous and very beautiful. अगर आपको कुछ कुर्ती वगैरह पहनना हो एवरीडे बेसिस के लिए बहुत ही प्यारा है ये. दिस वॉज फॉर ₹600. Yeah, but it's a really good quality product. I really like it. This also I got from MG Road, same shop. So next product which I got is this planner. So this planner is from Simba Lifestyle and ये मैंने बहुत ही पहले लिया था बट मैं पुणे गई नहीं थी. मेरी फ्रेंड के घर पे डिलीवरी हुआ था बट मैं ये जब पुणे गई तब मैंने उससे ले लिया एंड बहुत ही अच्छा प्लानर है. लाइक everything which you need is in this planner. It's more than sufficient and it's a really good quality planner. This was for rupees 800, and you get some stickers with this planner, like random stickers which you can stick to your laptop or on the planner itself. And you get these kind of stickers also where you can stick with your notes. So yeah, this is also a really good product. If you want, you can check this out. So the another thing which I got is a laptop. So I wanted a laptop because the previous one was not working properly and I wanted a new laptop. I got the HP NV14 CK 2018 TU model. So it's a 10th generation laptop and it is i5 and it has 8 GB RAM. It's a great laptop if you're a student or office going person. You can definitely purchase this laptop. This was for originally 57,000 but it costed me 48,000 and I got it for 48,000 rupees. So it's a great laptop. ज़्यादा भी बड़ा नहीं है, like ठीक है, ज़्यादा heavy भी नहीं है. And this is of jet black color. मुझे black laptop से ज़्यादा पसंद है. So yeah, it's my new laptop. And guys, all the product links will be in the description box below. So if you're interested and want to buy any of these products, go check out the description box. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.